Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Lexus Electrified Sport 2025. This isn't just any electric car, it's a glimpse into the future of performance driving from Lexus. Buckle up. Let's jump right in. The Electrified Sport boasts a fully electric powertrain, ditching the gas station for good. Lexus is tight-lipped on exact numbers, but rumors suggest over 1,000 horsepower. That translates to a mind-blowing 0 to 60 mph time in the low 2-second range. Think about it, you'll be glued to your seat before you even know it, but it's not just about raw power. Lexus is aiming for a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. The chassis, rumored to be based on the Lexus LC500's platform, is expected to be lightweight and incredibly stiff, providing exceptional handling and control. Another exciting whisper is the use of next-generation solid-state batteries. These batteries promise much faster charging times and a potential cruising range of over 430 miles. Imagine a road trip with minimal stops. That's the kind of freedom the Electrified Sport might offer. Now, let's talk looks. The Electrified Sport concept features a sleek, futuristic design that hints at the LFA Supercar's legacy. The sharp lines and aerodynamic curves scream performance, while the signature Lexus spindle grille gets a modern electric makeover. One unique selling point of the Electrified Sport is its focus on the driver experience. The interior is expected to be a luxurious haven, with high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout that puts all the controls within easy reach. Technology will likely play a big role too, with advanced displays and driver assistance features keeping you informed and safe. The Lexus Electrified Sport 2025 is a true game-changer. It combines blistering performance with impressive range, all wrapped in a stunning design. While it's still a concept, it represents a future where electric vehicles are not just practical, but incredibly exciting. Keep in mind, this is all based on available information. Lexus is sure to reveal more details closer to the release date. But one thing's for sure, the Lexus Electrified Sport is definitely a car to keep an eye on. If you're looking for a future-proof supercar that delivers an exhilarating driving experience, the Lexus Electrified Sport might just be your electric dream come true. Thanks for joining me. Let me know what you think about the Lexus Electrified Sport in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? And would you consider going electric for your next performance car? Let's discuss.